SAMHWA's polyurea coating, Superdeck. Utilizes ultra-fast curing technology to form a high-strength coating film within seconds, becoming tack-free within 30 seconds, allowing pedestrian traffic in 30 minutes, vehicle traffic in just 1 hour. In addition, with excellent impact, chemical and water resistance, from industrial facilities requiring waterproofing and corrosion protection, to high-durability logistics warehouses, outdoor and underground parking structures, apartment rooftop waterproofing, and even specialized coating applications. It provides an optimized solution for a wide range of environments, with superior adhesion to a wide range of substrates, including steel, concrete, and wood. It ensures reliable application even in low temperature and high humidity conditions. Formulated as a 100% solids, solvent-free coating with zero VOC emissions. It is a safe coating certified with KS, KC, Eco Label, and Indoor Air Quality certifications. After completing surface preparation, the dedicated Superdeck primer is applied to the substrate. Areas with severe surface irregularities or cracks are repaired using urethane sealant or epoxy putty. After the primer is fully dried, Superdeck 160 is applied to fill the concrete pores. After inspecting the dedicated polyurea spray equipment, the temperature and output rate are properly adjusted. The spray pressure is adjusted to 1,500–2,000 psi, ensuring a 1:1 volume ratio between the A and B components. After surface leveling is completed, Superdeck is applied at a thickness of approximately 2–3 millimeters. If necessary, the coating thickness is reinforced by applying 1 to 2 additional coats. After curing the polyurea-specific top coat, Superdeck 300 is applied. SAMHWA's polyurea coatings include the ultra-fast curing UNH series, as well as the hand-applied polyurea UB245D. They can be flexibly selected to match the conditions of different application sites. Delivering fast instalatio and superior durability. Choose Superdeck for reliable performance even under extreme environments.